Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? So we are all in of mastering video videos and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video crop to a selection boundary Photoshop properly, okay, and mastering video. Then I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I'd like to say that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and the fan circle. And your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friends, this is the option and Adobe Photoshop, then crop selection and boundary Photoshop. Okay, the crop tool and remove the area that fall outside the current selection. Okay, this is the condition. Any example, any picture, then file, open, then the desktop, then any picture, then show. This is the any picture show, and this is the crop. Okay, when you crop and selection boundary, then Photoshop element and trumps the image and boundary box. Okay, this is the boundary box, this is the boundary box. Then the irregular and shape and selection such as those made by using and lasso and tool and crop and rectangular boundary. This is the rectangular and marquee tool. Okay, the element and marquee tool, then single row marquee tool, then single column marquee tool. Okay, this is the option rectangular marquee tool. This is the rectangular marquee tool. And when you crop the command without making selection, Photoshop element and trumps the and 50% and 20%, then 80%, then 70% pixel and is the visible edge. Okay, this is the any use any selection tool, the rectangular mascot, then rectangular mascot. This is the rectangle, and this is the crop option. The select the part of the image you want the keep, then choose image crop. Okay, then keyboard bottom option Alt I P automatic the option the crop the picture, then Control Z the Control Alt Z that this is the previous picture, then any kinds of any idea, then option, then the image this is the crop. Okay, this is the crop, then crop, then Control Alt Z, then Control Alt Z. This is the option, this is the my opinion, this is the option, then Alt I P press the automatically the picture image and crop. This is the option. So friend, no more today. Those are still subscribe to my channel and subscribe very quickly and the bell icon button and stay with us new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.